Happy spring! It's time for the 2021 Red Carpet Menu. It's where I honor the Best Picture nominations for Oscar with a delightful menu. We are spending a lot of time indoors, watching a lot of movies, and these movies that are picked are fantastic. Let's get to it. Appetizers. Promising Young Woman. It's Promising Drunk Chicken. Chicken tenders in a boozy marinade, finished with hot honey, because sometimes it's sweet, but it brings the heat. For the father, we have the fava, which will be a fava bean puree tea sandwich. Did I tell you that Anthony Hopkins plays the father? Should I serve it with a nice Chianti? I'll be making that joke again. Main course. For mank, we've got flank steak. It will also be made in a boozy marinade. Watch the movie, you'll know why. Now it's time for side dishes. For Nomadland, it's Nomad Yam. That's gonna be a sweet potato skin, fully loaded, and topped with a peanut tahini sauce. The perfect vehicle for that sauce, mind you. And yes, I'll be making that joke again too. For Sound of Metal, we've got Ears in Metal, which will be a corn spoon bread created and served in a cast iron pan. And it is a bit of a stretch, but ears, metal. The salad. For Minari, it's Mintari. That will be a tabbouleh salad with the mint and the parsley and a lot of other delicious things. My version. Now it's time for desserts. For the Trial of the Chicago 7, I've got the Trial of the Chiffon 7, which will be a 7-layer chiffon cake finished with a blood orange buttercream frosting. Bloodshed, 1968, Democratic Convention, things went on, you know. Finally, for Judas and the Black Messiah, it's Judas and the Black Moussiah, which is black cherry chocolate mousse, layer of chocolate crumbs, hidden inside, dolloped with whipped cream. If you see the movie, you know exactly what that means, but we'll talk about it later. And there you have the 2021 Red Carpet Menu. Soon I'll be back with all these recipes. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.